Pandas.
Pandas.
Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Avanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Pandas. Good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Baba Money. Thanks for joining, everybody. You're currently watching the greatest trading YouTube channel on the earth. Ooh, how to trigger Big Mama here. Right off the... We're in, pandas. We are in Big Mama here. Triggers a second entry long on the daily chart. I want it. I want it. Woo! Looking for 5 points on the initial, and then we're gonna look for a runner here. We're just starting this day off right with the trade here, pandas. We're going for it. Straight for the jugular here. Pandas. I'm Baba Money. We stream here every single day live. Woo! Woo! Pandas! $9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I can't even get through my introduction because we're in this monster trade right now. Good morning, my pandas. My pandas. We trade the Emini live every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining, everyone. Top left of your screen, you can see where we are in our journey. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Pandas. I need your thoughts and prayers. I thought this was going to explode, but it looks like it's fizzling out here now. Just enough for 3 points, huh? Just enough for the true Big Mama, which is 2.5 points. Ooh, that's no follow through here. It's a little bit, looking a little reversally here. I'll hold. I'll hold. I believe. I believe. We'll hold a little bit here. See how it does. Just believe, pandas. You must believe. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas. Bill 7, good morning, welcome. Scalp that like button. Jeffrey, welcome. Hugh, welcome. Lou, welcome. Bobby, welcome. Blacklight, welcome. Hi, is this Bob? Yeah. You know it is. You know who this is. You know who I am. The only talking panda trader in the universe. Let's get it. Give me another push up here. Give me a higher low. You can give me more than that. You can give me way more than that. I know you can. I may be in this trade when the market opens. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. Charles Wilson, good morning, Panda. Took that Big Mama at 2.5 points, 2 contracts. Let's go. I'm going for more, pandas. I'm going for more. Going for way more here. EV is good. EV is good. Expected value is good here. Free paper cuts. Good morning. Welcome, welcome everybody. Thanks for joining. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Scap that like button as well. Today is Tuesday, and we don't have any news today, so it was always good to check news. Why am I in this Big Mama daily chart second entry long? Of course. The inside bar. This might be finding some resistance right here on this high. It's kind of worse finding some resistance. We're gonna look for 5 on the first, and then we're gonna look for a monster runner on the next. But I can't run it that much, right? Because of the trailing threshold. Maybe run it like up to 10 points. That'd be nice. Who here saw the eclipse? I was looking at the eclipse and I didn't have the glasses, so now I'm blind. I'm actually trading with Braille at the moment. Alright, let's break this inside bar to the upside. That'd be nice. I'll take it. Okay, broke to the upside here. Let's get a nice push up here, pandas. That's what we're looking for. I did, but I don't understand what you meant in Discord. It turned completely dark. I mean, if you had a full, right? If you were in totality, then yeah, it's gonna be completely dark. But for some places, it was like, even if it's like, not even unless it's like totality, I feel like it's still like when you look at the sun, because it's so bright, it bleeds beyond the moon, so it's just like very hard to see. Laundry Mall, Payout City. Let's get it. It was definitely eerie to see it get dark middle of the day without a cloud in the sky. Yeah, it is kind of freaky. Imagine if we didn't know about like modern technology and like we had science, and we all of a sudden saw a total eclipse. You would think the world's not like it's ended. You would say this is it. The one I saw in Oregon, I was able to see stars. No way. Really? That's pretty cool. If I didn't know about science, I'd probably started humans or panda sacrifice. Might create a second entry long here. The inside bar didn't really do what I wanted to do. We may just stay in this trade until until market opens, which is unfortunate. It might be a fortunate thing. This is looking worse and worse as we hold on to this, which is typically a bad thing. Could get a second entry long. I just don't want to get stopped out. I could have taken out 2.5, but I wanted more from this. I feel like this one we can get more than the 2.5. I could be wrong. And it looks like I might be wrong. We'll see. This is the first breakout, so it could have a tough time actually breaking out. Usually the second attempt is better. Right, when you break out, the second attempt breaking out is usually better. When you need to break out of something. Second attempt in trading is better, right? In anything, it's better. That's why you have double bottoms, double tops. Ooh, might get a nice little second entry long here. Second entry long action could really push up here. Ooh, that's looking pretty good now. Ooh, nice second entry long here. It's mid-air though. I'll take it. It's good for me. Second entry long triggers. Let's get a nice push up, Hannes. Let's get a nice push up. Come on. It's not really the reaction I wanted. I wanted to explode. About 1 more minute to market opens. I like the fact with the 20 EMA protecting us, so if it does kind of reverse, it can bounce off of it. So I'm feeling pretty safe here right now. Ooh. Ooh. Let's get 5 points, Pandas. 5 points on the first half. We're gonna look for 10 points maybe. Or I can do like a... I can trade until basically keep the trade in until we get stopped out, which is also pretty fun. It's actually it's kind of fun to see how high I can go. We got 5 seconds to market open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Come on! Oh no! It's not blasting off at all. It's doing nothing. It's not blasting off at all. Pandas! What's going on? That's not a blast off. Oh no! I need like a blast off. That's opposite of blast off. It's not good. Okay. Okay, that's good. I think. Decent. Maybe. 4 pushes up. Yee. Ew, it's looking ugly now. We got the 20 EMA protecting us though, so I'm okay. I feel okay still. As long as we have the 20 EMA, I feel okay. Solid close underneath the 20 EMA, that's when things get dicey. Okay, 4 pushes up. That's technically L4 setup. Very scary place to be in right now. I like the fact that we're hovering above the previous. Like I'm in the green still, so I like that. Okay, another second entry long maybe here. It doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA. I wouldn't mind touching the 20 EMA here. Right, even though it comes down, it means it has to go down a little bit more. I don't mind if it bounces off. Another second entry long here. Looks like it's about to trigger. Maybe not. We got 1, 2, 3 hits, right? 3 failures up. Could be sus. Could be really sus here, Pandas. Okay, solid bull bar. I'll take it. If you're okay with the worst outcome, you can hold on to these trades. The worst that can happen, I lose 500. But the best that can happen, it is limitless the amount of gains I can have, pandas. Let's get it. Come on. Give me my 1-to-1 at least. Ooh, so close, pandas. Oh. Ow. Ow. It's so close. One tick. Pandas. Protecting my stop loss now. One tick, pandas. I'm protecting my risk. My capital. Taking my risk off. Ooh! I think this is it. I think this is it. I think this is a push. This is going to be it. This is it. No! 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 Pandas. No. It cannot do this. One tick! Pandas, one tick! Again! I keep missing my targets by one single tick. What is that? No way. I don't think I can hold a reversal here. I'm going to take it out. It's too much risk for me now. One tick. Pandas. I'll come out break even on that trade. I was one tick away. Oh. That's crazy, pandas. I don't think I could handle another reversal there. I feel like it's gonna fail at that point. So many opportunities to make it, and it misses it by one tick. Ooh, I lost a little bit on threshold on that one. That's for sure. I lost a little threshold. It's essentially like losing $500. Preventing myself from losing 1,000 threshold though. Yeah, I didn't know I could handle it. After I saw this happen and it reversed, I don't know if I wanted to hold much longer, pandas. Wow, one tick, pandas. Every tick matters. Tick lives matter. Goodness gracious. TLM. What in the world? Why? One tick, pandas. Whew. I mean, that's a way to start the stream. That's a way. That's one way. That's one of the possibilities out of infinite possibilities to start the stream. One tick away from hitting. Jeez. All right. I mean, come on. All right, we'll get it. We'll get it, pandas. I think at the end it was a good skunk, though. Looks like I would have lost this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I will lose. Not lost yet, but it's getting close, pandas. Getting real close to losing it. Good skunk at the end, but geez. One tick away. Whoo! Okay. You know, you gotta let it go. Gotta let it go sometimes. I could have protected some profits, right? 2.5 points. I could have done a lot, I guess. Technically, you're still safe in this trade. Technically, you're still safe in this trade. Technically, you're still safe in this trade, right? Technically, you're still in this trade. I'd feel very uncomfortable holding it this long. Okay. Technically, you're still safe, right? Your original stop loss is 5 points away. At this point, I gotta just wait for a setup. Just in general, just like a regular setup. I don't see one yet. I could attempt Big Mama again, but I don't know. I would like more evidence. Maybe a higher low. Maybe. Maybe a higher low. I'll consider it. But that shook me out. This strong bear bar, this shook me out. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now it's popping up again. Jeez, it just wanted to shake me out, huh? Just wanted to shake out my weak hands here. Maybe a higher low might be worth. Missed it. We could have held it, right? But that's crazy. Seeing this, you're thinking, this is not good. It's going to reverse. We're going to try here. Second attempt Big Mama on the 5-minute chart. All right, the 5-minute chart has a different Big Mama level because it's only trading the regular trading hours. But why is Big Mama higher? That's confusing, no? Why would Big Mama be higher on the 5-minute chart than the 2000 tick chart? That doesn't make sense to me. Wait, why is Big Mama here? Isn't this yesterday's trading? Isn't Big Mama actually here? I'm confused, pandas. Wait. Oh, no, okay. Yeah, what's going on? Big Mama should be here. Why is Big Mama up here? I don't get it. I'm so confused. Did the solar eclipse mess up this? Right? The high should be here, actually. That should be the high. Oh, this is scary. I don't know what level this is. What? Right, that doesn't make any sense. It's using this as a high, but this is right, the day's trade started here. Oh, you know what it is? Okay, it is here. I'm going crazy. Big Mama's right there. Is that little line? Oh man, wow, I was about to lose my mind, pandas. We do got a higher low. I may consider it. I don't know. I already abandoned Big Mama. I don't know if I want to enter right now. It breaks the low or breaks the 20 EMA, comes back above it. It's a little sus now. Oh, that's going crazy. Sorry, pandas. It is here. You can't see it because it's in the bars, but it is there. Okay, the higher low triggers. It is what it is. Like I can't take a trade like this when it breaks beneath the 20 May and then just goes like this. I can't do it. I'll need to fail so I can enter short. Ooh. Maybe. We might get our failed second entry short after all, pandas. I'll take it. But it shook me out. Now I might be going back up. It is what it is. I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. I am happy with my decisions. This really could have gone further down. Okay. Failed second entry short above the 20 May. I'll take it. Give it to me. Ooh. I'm not going to be greedy here. I'll just take it with 2. I'll just take it with 1. Okay. It's doing something wacky. It's very confused right now. Market could just seriously wait till tomorrow to really do something, but darn. I missed it by one tick.
Trap.
Shakes me out. Does come back up, but actually, I'm not too sad about skunking that. Because what was happening here now is a little bit confusing, to be honest. I can't even take the fail second entry short. Second entry short kind of works out for a scalp at least. I mean, this is like, you're starting to create the formula to start tilting right now. Right, like it's starting to create the formula of tilting. When you miss your target by one tick, shakes you out, and then goes back up. What do I do here, Pandas? Looks like a head and shoulders type situation. Huh. We're beneath the 20 minutes. I'm not looking to go long anymore, but I'm wondering if I should go short. Got a gap up. I don't know if I want to go short here either. Darn, Pandas. I was expecting just a nice move up. That's it. Now we're getting some nonsense. Okay. Pushes down. Wow. Big move down, actually. Okay, I would have lost that trade. If I had held it, right, with the 5 to 5 risk reward, I would have lost that trade. It actually went 4 points, 4.75. It was one tick away from to hitting my target, and that's kind of reversing. We got a two-legged move on the 10,000 tick, Pandas. Actually, it's a clean 10,000 tick, two-legged pullback. Real clean right here. I may take it, Pandas. The problem is a 10,000 tick chart. The risks are typically large. Right, very large here. The risks. Maybe a fail second entry long here might be a big move down, but the second entry long on the 10,000 tick makes me want to, I don't know, potentially go long again. Pandas, 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 pandas. I mean, at the end, if the two leg of the trading range indicator just gives us a trading range at this point. I'm gonna push down here. Okay. It looks like a head and shoulders. if I were to trade like the classical like technical analysis patterns, this is a head and shoulders like textbook. You got neckline, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then break beneath, and then your measure move is like, whatever this is. All right, that's your measure move, breakout. You come back, basically back to the previous day's open. Like very like classic, right? When you look up technical analysis on YouTube, this is like one of the patterns you would see. You may try to fill a gap on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart does a big gap here. They try to fill it up. We had this huge triangle form the entire day yesterday. That's what yesterday was basically, just to fill this, to make this big triangle. Big push down. Yep. It's essentially head and shoulders. I don't really trade head and shoulder patterns, but if I did, I'm just saying, right? 10,000 tick chart, right? When I was tempted for the second entry long, I'm no longer tempted, right? Because now we're like closing beneath it and strong bear bars. So that kind of answers that question. Basically, coming back to the previous day's close, may fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Why is there a gap on the 5-minute chart? Well, the 5-minute chart, I only track the regular trading hours, right? 9:30 to 4 o'clock Eastern time. And so I do that because there's no reason to chart the 5-minute on the extended hours, because the volume is abysmal. So the price action is not reliable. We actually are coming back. We're actually making that measure move I mentioned. Right. Essentially, the measure move on head and shoulders is you get to the head and go to the neckline. I guess technically it's like you just try to make a perpendicular line, and then you find the breakout point right here, and that's your target actually. Why is that the target? Well, why do measure moves work? Because of risk reward. Right. There are traders here who basically go here and then put their stop loss up here, saying I'm wrong when it comes up here, and they say that if I can get these 50% right at the time, then I can at least come up break even. So that's why measure moves work, essentially, because people trade. So we hit the measure move essentially. That's what measure moves. The math behind the measure move is risk reward. The 5-minute chart printing strong bear candles now. I'm glad I got out of that trade at the end. We're almost filling the gap here. I imagine we're going to fill the gap here. But the daily chart could trap pandas. The daily chart traps pandas. I'll be there on the other side waiting. It's actually crazy. I'm going to wait on the other side on that. $2,000 tick chart just going down, no entries. I'm eating pandas. Sorry. I don't like making the slobbering noises in the mic. Like, I hate that. I'm sorry. So you're welcome. Come on, me. I'm eating. Got a second extra short here. I'll take it. I'll take it. Only problem is we're bouncing off a support. Potentially. Could be an undershoot here. Second extra short triggers right away. Doesn't quite touch our resistance here. I'm not looking for a full-blown reversal. I feel like at this point, anything would be a small pullback. We probably want one more push down after this strong move down. But I don't know if this is the pullback I want. You want it to be closer, a little deeper pullback than that. Inside bar on the 10K chart. Not sure. I want to keep pushing down. I've just seen so many times a 5-minute affiliate gap like this and reversing off of that level. I've seen it. It's one too many times. I feel weird just trying to go short right now. Not expecting a little bit of bounce here. I'll say one of the bad things about the two-legged pullback, or quote-unquote trading one single setup, is difficult to enter in strong trends. Actually, when a trend is too strong, you don't find any entries. There's no entries because you're waiting for a pullback. But on very strong trends, there's no pullbacks. And if they are, it's just one-legged pullbacks. So you oftentimes miss big moves. Sometimes if the market's kind enough, you do get a setup like this. This is a trap trade. I would like this setup if it happened underneath the 20 EMA, but it happens above the 20 EMA. It gives you the nasty reversal off that failed second entry long here. And yeah. But it's above the 20 EMA, so you just can't take it. But wow. What a move. And a good setup, actually. Just in the wrong place. Inside bar, 5-minute chart. I can imagine this not trying to make another low here, like one more low. I am looking for a short trade, but I want a deeper pullback. I basically want on the higher time frames to break above a previous candle's high. 10,000 tick chart. OII pattern, pandas. OII pattern. OII. Outside, inside, inside. Ooh. I'm going to try here. I'm going to try. The reason being is because you got an OI pattern on the 5-minute and an OII on the 10K. Right? 5-minute has an OI pattern. 10K has an OII pattern. Right? 2 inside bars. Simply means triangle, smaller time frame. Breakout mode. And this was trend. I like these setups because it's very easy. Right? It's very easy to have risk reward. The worst you can have is 50-50 here. Right? That's the worst you can have. Is 50-50. In my opinion, right? Inside bars. But you get a slight edge when you go with trend. So that's a nice thing, right? You're going with trend, so you have a small edge. Now, even the small edge, you'll still lose. OII pattern's gonna get me here. It's getting too choppy now. Usually OII patterns are pretty strong. Right? I think they're more reliable than OI patterns. We have 2 inside bars. It is really coiled up. But this might bite me in the butt. Might bite me in the tail. We'll see. My risk reward is easy. It's a 1-to-1. Simple as that. The way you set it up is on the 10,000 tick, whatever chart you're using. I could technically raise it up, but I'm not going to. I think if it fails, it fails. I'll just leave it. But you have the inside bar, and you're basically your stop loss is on the other side of the inside bar. So we lose that trade. We're down $100. Pandas. It's okay, pandas. It's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Don't worry. But that failing, it's a little makes this a little bit interesting to me. I got really it got me. It you know, hook, line, and sinker. The market trapped me there. I said, hey, bye money. We got a nice inside. We know you want to wait for the trap trade. That's what the market said. But we're gonna give you this B- setup instead of the A+ setup, and the market knows how much FOMO I have, so they're gonna set that up for me. I'm gonna enter, take my hit. They already know my FOMO. I was on mute. I was eating. I was eating a bagel, and it's like, you know that noise when you eat and it makes like that slobbering noise? I hate that. I hate that. What's the word? Misphony? Misphony? When you hate a sound, that is, it's probably like, if I had like a psychological condition, that would be like probably the only one where I just, wow, I hate that sound. It's crazy. Trap trade maybe now. I'll take it again on a trap trade. Sure. Why not? It's O pattern now. Still breakout mode. The 5-minute did the exact same thing. Right? 5-minute had a break to the downside, break to the upside. It might be a OIO pattern here. Still breakout mode. I think this would be a good trade. I'll take it.
$10,000 tick trap.
Trap trade, 10,000 tick trap, as you heard the lady say. Now your risk reward looks like yes. We're gonna attempt it again with trend, right? The same, almost the same setup. So the risk is a little bit bigger, but your reward is also a little bit bigger. Again, inside bar is 50-50. But you can put the edge slightly in your favor if you go with trend. Or if it's a trading range day, then you can go, right, look for it on reversals. Misphonia, yeah, misophonia. My fiance has it, and it's so annoying. Just hear me. You're on the other side. You have a You have a misophonia. You hate people who have misophonia. That's crazy. That's crazy. I never knew there was a misophonia. That's just crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. You having that is whoa! I'm in. I'm in the trade, panda.
5-minute trap.
Go for a 1-to-1. If it gets me here, I'm out. I'm done. I'm done. If I can't make it here, I'm done. Should I just go for the big one? All or nothing. Let's just see what happens, pandas. Let's see what happens, pandas. It doesn't look promising right now. I'll tell you that much. Alright, we'll go for a 1-to-2. We'll try. I'm gonna finish the rest of my bagel. Feeling the pain here now. What in the world? What's going on here? The uncertainty is
5-minute
creeping
trap.
in now. Goodness gracious. 5 minutes having a hard time closing beneath the previous day's close. This may reverse here on the 5-minute chart. I wouldn't be surprised if it reverses here. Honestly, I wouldn't be that surprised. Could easily happen. Stick to the plan, exactly. Stick to the plan. What is the plan? Who knows? What is the plan right now? Jeez. Look at the 2000 tick chart. It just went completely sideways. Right when we tried to enter, it just went completely sideways. Sidewinder. I don't know. You can slight push down now. I'm only in one contract, so whatever happens, happens here. I'm okay. Interesting. When I say interesting, I mean this is not interesting. It's actually terrible. I'm not getting anything here. What's going on? The market is completely stalled out. I thought there was some hope, a glimmer of hope here. That nice kind of push down, but now it's. I mean, look at the 2000 tick chart, pandas. Like, why do we have markets like this? It's just so frustrating. Like, the market does absolutely nothing. It does nothing. It's crazy how nothing it is. Alright, my reverse on me here. Maybe it doing nothing were the signs to get out because we weren't getting what we wanted. Now the opposite's happening, right? This trap's failing. Inside bar may be failing. It's an OIIO pattern, and we got another breakout with trend, and it may not work out. That's just how crazy the market is right now. What can you do? You got to go with trend in these situations. It's actually crazy. Whew. I don't know about this one, Pandas. This could be it. I wouldn't be surprised if this is it. I'll just hold the proper risk reward though. We'll just take it. We'll take it on the chin. This one's on the chin. For sure, it might make us a little dizzy. Might make us a little tilted. You know what I mean? Ooh, wow. Market is just confusing right now. Okay. Okay, it got me. It's gonna get me. Pretty certain it will. If it doesn't, I'll be very surprised. If it doesn't get me here, I'll be pretty surprised. I mean, I'll be happy, but more than anything, I'll just be surprised. Somehow it miraculously reverses here and crashes. Would be amazing. Psych. I'm dead. I'm absolutely dead. We're down 366. Lost 2 trades in a row. It is what it is, Pandas. Like I said, I've just seen it way too many times on the 5-minute where you just... I knew we had an issue when we couldn't close beneath the previous day's close on the 5-minute. It was acting too much as a support. Such a strong support here. All right. Well, we tried a 10,000 tick. Didn't work. The undershoot may lead to an overshoot, or may just be coming off of our trend line now here. There are I'm about to go sideways. I'm almost completely horizontal right now. That's an actual picture of me. When I say actual, I mean not really. What is going on, Pans? I don't know what to do here. Stay away from the charts. That's what I need to do. Stay away.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay. We're still in breakout mode. Huh. I don't know, Pandas. What do I do here? Typically, I should sit on my paws. It's going way too sideways. I don't mind losing money, Pandas. That's part of the plan. When the market does absolutely nothing, that's just frustrating. Like, how many days in a row can it do absolutely nothing? We do have big news tomorrow, though, Pandas. And if you want to know the easiest way to pass your eval is with news. And so tomorrow we have big news at 8:30 a.m. And I call it a make or break your account news event. Boom or bust, whatever you want to say. Essentially, the idea is you can trade max contracts, pass an eval in one single trade, and then you get funded the very next day. It's the easiest way to pass your evals. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that much. Absolutely is. And trap trade here to go long. Not interested.
5-minute trap.
There's nothing you can do here. But the CPI numbers are tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. and they're probably going to move the markets a lot. I think they will because market's very sensitive to interest rates, especially because now the market is waiting. When are we going to actually get our interest rate cuts? No one knows. And every time inflation news comes out, employment news comes out, jobs news comes out, things like that, it kind of like the market will predict when the Fed perhaps may cut interest rates. And they will be more inclined to do so with bad economic data. When there's bad economic data, then they will feel the need to stimulate the economy, so they will lower interest rates. But when you lower the idea of lowering interest rates, pandas, is that money is cheaper. Money is cheap. You can borrow money, and you can spend it on whatever you want, whatever you need in order to make more money, and it's just it makes the economy, it stimulates the economy. More people are willing to take out loans. Start businesses or refinance their current business, whatever it is. I mean, the market has completely died. The moment we enter a trade, the market's completely died. We do got a trap trade here. It's tempting, actually. Ah, it's so tempting, but I don't know. I don't really know what I'm waiting for. If I took that, I just feel like it's a little too sideways. It still looks kind of bearish to me here. The fact that it hasn't yet really done anything, though, I don't know what's going to happen. The risk is small to take this trap. I just don't like this trend line in the way. This trend line, I don't like it in the way. I don't like we're beneath the 20 EMA on all the higher time frames.
$10,000 tick trap.
What do I do here? I don't know. When you don't know, you don't know. Trap failed. Failing. Steve Young. Are you the quarterback, Steve Young?
5-minute trap.
5-minute trap. Sure. Why not? The traps mean that that you have a setup that fails, and typically the reversals are very good. Right? You got a second entry long that fails here. Second entry long. 2 legs down. A, B, C. In this trade, let's see. Let's make some money, pandas. Come on. Let's make some money. We gotta make a serious move here in order for this to be worth it. We're still underneath the 20 mil. I'll take it. I'll chance this. I don't know. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what's happening. Maybe this trend line is continuing to be a support here. If that's the case, we should get a failed. We should get a symmetry for this breakout on the other side. We should. Are we? I don't know. No idea. But this is basically inside bar setup, but we'll take it as a swing trade instead. Right? Instead of the inside bar trade, we'll take a swing trade because we're underneath the 20 MA. And I just feel like it wants a new low at least. If we don't make it here, pandas, I mean that's what the kind of day it is. You know? I don't think the trades I'm taking are necessarily all that bad. I think they all make sense. Woo! Pandas! 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 Ah! Let's let the candle finish. Let's let it cook. Pandas, let's let the candle cook. Let's let it cook, pandas. Let it cook. Got 2 more minutes on this candle. Let it cook. Don't take it out too early. You gotta make as much as you can on these. Whoo! Strong bear bar on 10,000 tick chart. Any on its low. Oh, might make that 1-to-1 here. Let's see what the 1-to-1 is here. Already made 1-to-1. We're going for more, pandas. We are going for more. Woo! Oh! Oh! Not bad, not bad, not bad. I'll take it.
Target.
Let's go, baby! I'm up $4, pandas. I'm up $4. I could be up more than that. I'm up 4 bambaroonies. I'm up 4 bambaroonies. That's a 5-minute trap, pandas. It's the power of the trap. Jeez Louise. I've been waiting for that for so long. The appropriate measure move is actually down here, which pretty much takes you to previous day's low. Ooh, I missed a lot of profits on that, panda. See, I didn't let it cook. I should have let the candle finish. See, this is all profits I could have made. I should have let it cook. Ah, I should have let it cook. I got out too early. I should have let it cook. I think for me, I was happy. I was up positive. So I just wanted to come out break even to cover my losses on the other trades. So for me, I was just happy with that. I could have gotten more, though. I could have gotten more. So I'm pretty much break even, right? And that kind of goes to say, right, the 5-minute chart, right, the inside bar trades, 50-50. But look at the breakdown. When you get a nice breakdown, this is what happens. I mean, I gotta go short here somewhere, huh? It's such a strong move down. Man, it is really overextended for Big Mama. I gotta take it, pandas. I gotta take Big Mama here. I'm sorry. I might lose this trade, but I gotta take it. I'll take it with one contract. It's fine. I'll take it with one contract. It's fine.
Target filled.
Let's go, baby. Gotta take Big Mama there. Got some bamboo. Hey, I was down. I was up $4. I'm up. What? I was down 300 something. I stuck to the plan, pandas. The reason why I took only one contract is because it was so overextended. I just was not sure if I wanted to do a little bounce here before it really pushes down. But yeah, obviously, there's no stopping this, right? This is a trap trade on the daily chart at this point. We're trapping on the daily. It could be big, big reversal here on the daily chart. Whew, it could be big, pandas. It could be a really big reversal on the daily, right? We have a big move up on the daily chart. It could be a big reversal. Who knows? Weekly chart. I mean, a big reversal on the daily chart just means the weekly chart will touch the 20 EMA, essentially. It's just been on like a huge, unnatural bull move. I'm up 137. I'll take it from where I was. Down. I was down negative 300 some dollars. It's a nice swing we got. Do I want a second entry short? I kind of do. But I don't know. We are so overextended. It's actually crazy. Right? That measure move was hit. Plus more. It's actually crazy how strong a move that was. Kind of came out of nowhere. I mean, that's the kind of move I wanted earlier, but I came in too early, I guess. It was a 5-minute trap that ultimately got it. The 5-minute trap was the ultimate decider of this move. All right, 5-minute trap setup. I tried to take the trap on the 10K, but the trap on the 5-minute was the one that worked. Second entry short here. I'll take it, I guess. We're in a downtrend. I'll take it. I'll try. Why not? Especially if it's a good signal bar off the 20 MA. I don't think I'll take a reversal here. I don't think I can take a reversal here, right? Can I? Like, will I reverse my trade? It's above the 20 MA. That's not good if you want to go short. Ooh, the risk. Oh, okay. Okay, it's a good signal bar. I'll take it. Small risk. Very strong downtrend. Okay. That's no longer your signal bar. This is your signal bar now. And it's way worse than this one. Interesting. I don't know what to make of this. Should I look for a reversal? Should I? It's such a strong move down. I don't know. Oh, doji bar? The signal bar's not good. It's above the 20 MA. Everything's bad about this trade. I'll try it. Let's get a little bit more than that. Let's get down here. Let's get down here. Let's get a bit more. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Target filled.
All right, I'm out. It started doing the wiggles. I didn't like the wiggles. Could have held it though. Darn it! Darn it! Ah! Ah! Could have made a little bit more, Pandas. Could have made a little bit more. We'll let it go. We'll let it go. We'll let it go. Up 258. I'll take it. I'll take it for today. Goodness gracious. After all those losses earlier on. Give me a failed trap. I'll take it again. I'll go short again. Give me a failed trap. I'll go short again. I'll do it. You don't think I'll do it, but I'll do it. If you give me a failed trap, I'll do it. Right? A lower high, second entry short. Doesn't give me quite the setup I wanted. I'll set up my pause. It gives you a micro double top here. I'll set up my pause here. I'm patient. I'm up 258. I'll take it. Across 4 accounts. It's over $1,000. I'll take it. I'll take it, Pandas. I'll take it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay. Okay, push down. Sure, why not? I could have held my original trade. Darn. It's all good. It's all good. Oof, makes a new low. New low, Pandas. I could have held this short for a new low. Dang it. It started wiggling here. I didn't like it. Didn't like it. Didn't like it. I didn't like how far away, the 5-minute chart, look how far away it is on the 20 minute. I mean, it's on breakout mode. You got to go short no matter what. I don't know. Are we getting another setup, though? I wanted that failed. It gives you micro double top, right? The market's cruel like that. It'll just tease you and never give you your setup. And that's it. Big push down here. I mean, this is a downtrend straight up. Bear trend day today. It's been a while since we had a strong bear trend day today, to be honest. Okay. I'm looking for a short trade, but I don't know if I'm going to get one. Oh, I missed it by one tick for the 1-to-1. It's okay. I'm content with my 258. I'm content. I'm not ecstatic. I'm just content about it. Lower high. If I was really just wanting to go short, this is a setup to go short. Lower high setup. It's just purely momentum right now. Pure momentum trading. Another second just short, perhaps. Another second just short. Okay. Micro double top. And second just short. Alright. So it pops up. I'm not looking for any long trades here. Still looking to go short here. I don't know if I like it like that though. It's a bad setup to take. It's only if you're super eager to go short. You'll just go short here. I'm eager, but not that eager. I want to come back to the 20 EMA at least. Inside bar, small risk. It's not that worst trade to take. It's with trend and also small risk. And it's a setup, right? It's a 2-legged pullback. So it's not the worst trade to take. I just imagine a better trade happening, so I'm going to wait for it. I'm imagining a better trade than this. Hopefully it does happen, but if I miss it, I miss it. It is what it is. It looks like I'm going to miss it, though. It looks like this just keeps crashing down. That's a second entry short, man. It's amazing. What can I say? All right, there it is. Second entry short. You gotta just take it. Take it in midair. Who cares? I mean, bears are always in short. They don't care. They have a pullback. They'll continue to buy, or sorry, continue to sell, break even at worst. That's what they're thinking right now. Right? They're always in short. They're gonna just continue to just short the market, limit orders, stop orders. Right? If you look at the 5 minute, they do not care. They'll just sell here. Right? They sold the close here. They sold the close here, and they're going to continue to sell the close. And even if it reverses on them quite strong, they're going to continue to sell limit orders and come out break even, thinking any pullback at this point will be small. That's what they're thinking. So hopefully we can take advantage of that. But man, give me a setup, please. Free paper cut says it right. AIS always in short, right? Sell the close. It's just hard to be ready for a day like this because you're not expecting it. This is crazy. Whew. Whew. I mean, when I say always in short, I mean always in short. Doesn't matter the setup. It's crazy. This is actually crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4 bear bars in a row, like solid bear bars. That's crazy. It will have to pull back, but geez, this is crazy. Herman Bryce says, if it makes you feel better, I use a Super Panda signal cater at the high reversal and made 60 bucks in the MES. Let's go, baby. 60 bucks on the MES. That's actually a lot. That's 12 points. It's all first entry still. Like, when you think the market's overextended, it will surprise you. It will continue to surprise you. Jeez. I mean, this is what the market was waiting for to do with the entire day of going sideways. It was waiting for a big move down or big move either way. Wowzers. This is something else. This is truly something else. This is more amazing. This is more amazing than the solar eclipse. If you watch the solar eclipse and you see this, you look at this, you say, wow, this is actually amazing. The solar eclipse is just, it's cool, but this is amazing. Goodness gracious, what in the world's happening? I should just keep going short until I lost a trade. Just keep going short until I lose a trade. All right, pandas. Hey, it was nice. It was nice. Nice day of trading. I mean, we're up 258. It's not the most, but pandas. Hey, can you complain? Because we came back up from negative $360. So pandas, I'll take it. Pandas, stay safe, everyone. Remember tomorrow news 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Take advantage of it. BBM 80% off. It's a
10,000
perfect time to
tick
use
trap.
it. Perfect time for the promo to be here. One day to pass, you can be funded literally by next day. By tomorrow, you'll be funded. And so, pandas, I hope you take advantage of that while you can. And thanks for joining. It's been a blast. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early. 9 o'clock for the pre-market, so 9:15 for the mainstream. Thanks for joining. Hey, pandas. Stick to the plan. Don't forget. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.